Are you ready to lead, innovate, and succeed in the world of business? Welcome to the Business Pathway at Arapahoe Community College. In today's fast-paced economic landscape, strategic business knowledge, entrepreneurial spirit, and effective leadership are more valuable than ever. Here, you'll learn values-based business practices that emphasize social intelligence and analytical abilities. These programs are designed to arm you with the expertise, practical skills, and ethical grounding you'll need to make a significant impact in your chosen field. Our programs offer a blend of theoretical knowledge and real-world application, taught by our expert faculty. Plus, with our affordable tuition, you'll achieve a top-tier education without the burden of overwhelming debt. It's time to move mountains as a business leader. Elevate your career and become the leader you're destined to be with a degree or certificate from ACC's Business Pathway. Learn more at arapahoe.edu/pathways.